How to start a profitable digital skills business in Africa. Step-by-step guide. Starting and managing a digital services and skills training business in Africa requires strategic planning, minimal capital, and leveraging technology. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you begin and succeed. Step 1. Identify your niche place. Focus on high-demand digital skills and services in Africa and globally. Examples include digital marketing, social media management, SEO, content creation, web development and app design, graphic design and animation, freelancing skills, writing, translation, virtual assistants, coding and programming. Tip: research your local market and global trends, e.g., Upwork, Fiverr, to identify what skills are in high demand. Step 2. Develop or acquire the skills. If you already have the skills, great. If not, invest in online courses, e.g., Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning to become an expert. Stay updated with new trends and tools in your niche. Step 3. Build a brand and platform. Create a professional identity to showcase your services and attract customers. 1. Branding. Choose a memorable name for your business. Create a logo and develop a consistent theme for your online presence. 2. Website or online presence. Build a website or use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Add a portfolio, testimonials, and an easy-to-use contact form. Start social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter to promote your services. 2. Freelancing platforms. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or TopToll to reach international clients. Step 4. Launch your skills training. 1. Create a training program. Outline topics and skills to teach, from beginner to advanced levels. Choose a delivery format: live webinars, recorded video courses, or in-person workshops. Use simple tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or WhatsApp for live sessions. 2. Use online course platforms. Upload your courses to platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy to automate sales. 3. Offer free resources. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram page to share free tips. This builds trust and attracts paying students. 4. Set pricing and monetize. Offer affordable pricing for the African market, but don't undervalue your services. Add premium options like one-on-one coaching or advanced modules for higher paying clients. Step 5. Market and attract customers. Social media ads. Use Facebook and Instagram ads to target young professionals and students. Referral program. Give discounts or bonuses to students who refer others. Step 6. Scale and diversify. Automate operations. Use learning management systems, LMS, to automate course delivery. Outsource tasks like marketing or web development to free up your time. 2. Expand services. Introduce more advanced training or certifications. Offer career mentorship programs or link students with freelancing opportunities. 3. Go global. Market your courses to an international audience. Add multilingual options to attract more clients. Step 7. Manage the business efficiently. Measure progress. Track student success rates, reviews, and earnings to identify areas for improvement. Track finances. Use tools like Wave, QuickBooks, or Zoho for accounting. Stay consistent. Build relationships with your students through regular engagement and updates. Reinvest. Use profits to upgrade your equipment, advertise, and expand. Key tools to use: content creation, Canva, Adobe Premiere, or CapCut. Live sessions, Zoom, Google Meet, or StreamYard. Learning platforms, Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Social media management, Hootsuite or Buffer. By starting small, providing quality training, and leveraging technology, your digital services and skills training business can thrive in Africa while solving a key unemployment challenge. Goodbye for now. I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. It's going to be great. Don't forget to subscribe to support me and help grow this channel.